house. What's happened? Money you don't give me. Food you don't give me. You want to kill me for this house? I'm not taking a bed. I'm going to kill you this man.
I go see make a move.
Shut down.
Hello? Zuzu. I'll send you the 10 million. Eh? Once I send you the 10 million, this is what you have to do. Now, yes. From the 10 million, yes.
Hey, who are you?
No. Madam, I beg. No, I don't know. Madam, please cover my shame, please. Madam, I beg. Madam, please. Madam.
You know me.
Hey guys, how on a day? It's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So please make sure to stick to the very end because I've got something very interesting for you guys here. You understand? So drop nice comments, share my video. It's very important. So my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
You wanna fuck with the
Doobie.
For this house. What's happened? Money you don't give me. Food you don't give me. You want to kill me for this house? I'm not taking a bed. I'm going to kill you this man.
I go see make a move.
Shut down.
Hello? Zuzu. I'll send you the 10 million. Eh? Once I send you the 10 million, this is what you have to do. Now, from that 10 million, buy me gift card from Angel Gift Card. Download the app from Apple Store or Play Store. They are fast and reliable, and their rate is very good.
Okay.
Yes. From the 10 million, yes.
Hey, who are you?
No. Madam, I beg.
No, I
Madam,
don't
please
know
cover my shame, please. Madam, I beg. Madam, please. Madam.
You know me. You get mine. Look at you. You're still broke. You didn't say life na Nollywood, Abi? Yeah, man.
Madam, who are you?
What's going on here?
Babe, who is that?
I said, Balo, who are you?
Hey, Oga, I beg.
We don't get out of my car.
Oga, I beg. Go down. Oga, I beg, not to me like this.
How can you disturb me at one happy moment?
No.
Get out of this car.
Which kind of happy moment did I get?
Who is this idiot?
Imagine.
Fake life.
Wow. You're not going to show nasty reaction.
Daddy. Odagu, please.
Ifoma, come here.
Larry, please, I'm coming.
Yeah? Have I noted I don't see you that girl anymore?
She's my best
Shut up your mouth! What do you know about friendship? Look at the way she's dressed. Look at the way she's talking. Do you want her to spoil your life? Do you want her to spoil your life? I want her to go home. Ha! Want her to go home?
Let's have it.
Larry, I don't know if I want to make dinner for my daddy, so I don't know if you can go and come back tomorrow.
Don't be direct. Don't go through the corner.
The Baba talk say me you can't send me. No, my daddy like you. No, he did not tell me anything. No. I know you wanna. I feel it. Me, I don't forget. Our father to talk say go told me save me and my babe don't play. Say what I go take. That's true. You take warm water and salt, but if you don't like that one, you can just go to any nearby pharmacy and buy Andrew liver salt. If you also don't want that one, you can just go to those people that sell Agbo. Tell them you want to buy ogogoro pepper soup. What did I say? Ogogoro pepper soup. If it's more than 24 hours, just go and buy post-nut soup. Okay, where I go to that post-nut too now? Pharmacy now. I cherish you, God, my love.
How should they sabi all those things? She don't come out. Bye bye.
Come here. I want the best for you. Stop following that girl. Don't last for your life. What did I say?
Stop following that girl.
What's all this time when we take come out picking Oh God.
Who is there? No command my door, they come. Oh. Who be this one?
He has rice.
No, he be only rice. Now beans. Oga, come on here.
He has rice in the same, he has rice.
What's happened now, Oga?
Happy Easter, where you cook.
Oga, come on here. This is also I know the big food.
Okay, we are here. 10,000.
Oh, 10,000?
Yeah.
Baby girl, see the way we finish you today.
And thank God my wife is not home.
Don't marry.
Baba, this your door is not opening, no? It's in stop now.
Okay, I'm going. Leave it. Let me come and check it. Over by Jenny. Do you want to spoil it? Over by Jenny, are you okay?
You know they had that.
Calm down. Bola.
So,
Babe. Hi. Are you okay?
I'm okay. I wasn't just expecting to see you.
Okay, I just go back.
You just go back.
Wow. So, you are a married man?
Yes, this is my wife.
Who is that? This?
How much is the money again?
Are you okay? I'm talking, you are pulling me. Are you mad? I said, who is it?
How much? What's your money? Where's your money? You said 10K, Abi.
Who is 10K? You mad? What do you mean 10K? Eh? Do I look hungry to you? 250K.
Hey!
250 what?
250K.
For what? Are you a thief?
The place is far.
Baby, see why I say she fix your car. What people they are thieves?
Are you calling me a thief?
Yes, you're a thief.
She's calling me a thief?
Yes, you're a thief.
Did you not tell her that you were
My account number.
Ope.
22.
44.
You don't take advantage.
You see my name there now?
Baba, Agkaay.
Yeah, that's my name.
I've sent it.
Oh, okay, no wala now.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Where will I drop this your side chick?
Go punish you, sir.
Go punish you too. Go punish you too.
After I don't connect you,
I love you.
Papa,
go punish you.
I don't say that to you. It's this point, you bro.
Kokon, see the new ride one collect.
You don't want?
Nah, lie. Judas, you first be buy motor?
Now, so you been a god runner.
You first money went to buy motor?
Now, just the small money want to sell you.
Jesus is Lord.
Just come bless them before they carry you come out.
Judas, you send me.
What to do now? Now, so it's day for Bible now.
For everything I don't do for you, Judas, you betray me. I pour speed for your head.
Come bless this camp before they carry you come out. You the pour speed.
Everything I do for you, Judas. Judas. Now so I know. You send me. Go buy Nigeria use second-hand motor.
Bros J, not be saying second-hand in my mind. I invest half of the money for Seabek. You know, so they carry our money come out. So now the half when I keep for account, now I buy this one.
Okay.
What you gonna be saying?
Come here to the shot.
Talk what you want to talk with before.
Come make I tell you, I know bless the motor.
No, don't insult Jesus for this hour. No, don't insult Jesus.
You got me for judgment too. Me and you got me for judgment.
No, don't really insult you now.
Asa, how are you now?
I'm fine, Chief.
I can see that already. You are looking very fine. Can I get your number?
Chief, I hope so you get money. Me, I know they give stingy men my number. If you know they press money, clear.
Cannot press money.
Me, I should clear.
Yes.
All of them for this island, be the same thing.
Whatever.
You are a gold digger. Gold digger.
My go digger, go digger, go digger, digger, digger. Go digger.
What I never do for the guy still get my teeth on me. What I never do for him. I buy car for his papa. I will push up for his mama. I send his sister go school. America for that matter. The thing they pay me, babe. Every ending of month like this, I they give the guy 5 million naira.
You?
See they pay me. What happened?
Ha!
Can I help you?
Yes, so you can help me, eh?
Now what for you?
But first, help me with your phone number.
What be this?
God have mercy upon us.
My king, may you live long. They say the gods do not choose the qualified, but they qualify the chosen. My king, you are the heir apparent to the throne. You have the tenacity, you have the temerity, you have the dexterity, you have the technical know-how to ascend this throne. My king, who have been waiting for you, you are welcome to ascend this throne. My king, may you live long. I doff my heart for you.
No, my king. I'm hearing chicken. Kokoroko. Who owns those fowl?
My king, everything in this kingdom belongs to you.
You have right to eat. I'm the owner of those fowl. Yes. They should kill 6. Boil 3. Use 3 for pepper soup. Enough pepper like this one, please.
My king, it's like you don't really know your right to. Everything in this kingdom belongs to you.
You mean it?
Farmland, houses, even the maidens.
This ones?
They belong to you.
Let them to go and wait for me. Inside the inner chambers.
Both of you should go to the king's chambers, get naked and wait for him.
Get naked and wait for him.
70 years old man.
My king,
How are you?
may you live long.
God bless you.
Ever since the demise of your father, the kingdom has been without a king for the last 3 years. We were living in confusion. We were living in trouble. We were living in plague. Until the gods came to our rescue. We consulted the chief priest and he told us that the late king has a son in the city, the heir apparent to the throne.
Can you imagine? And I did Lagos since they suffer. I don't know, say my papa na king. Why for just come here and enjoy life? Can you imagine?
We had to send some members of the community to go and look for our king in the city.
Una do well.
And thanks to the gods, we found you.
God bless you.
My king, you are as brave as your father. You are strong as your father.
He did blood.
Your father was a leader. Your father was a true king. Your father was a shepherd. Your father was a guardian of the kingdom. And we believe you possess all those qualities.
See you. You know that when I was in Lagos, guess what? I won a wrestling bet. Have you heard about Usman Kamaru?
Yes.
I was the one that trained him to become who he is today. Have you heard about Francis Ngannou?
Ngannou, yes.
Those are my boys. Now imagine me taking care of this kingdom. Nobody can trespass.
My king, you are more than perfect for the throne. That is why the gods has never made a mistake. And by choosing you proves how wise the gods are. My king, your father was a great hero and a warrior. He defeated the Nwogu community and we took their land.
Yes.
He defeated the Hiabata community and we took their land. He wanted to take Agbingbada community before he lost his life. Rest well, our great king, but the war is not over. The people of Hiabata is here to claim your throne.
Jesus.
But you, the king, is going to defend that throne.
So, Onu, I have a fight, you understand? But I need to freshen up my body. So the maidens are already naked waiting for me. So let me go and, mesmerize with them, finish. After that, I face the warriors. Then tell my guards to wait for me. This is not time for fight. You guys can wait. You hear me?
My king, these are not guards, so.
I don't want peace.
That is the man you're supposed to fight with. Oh, he's the one that killed your father.
Brother Jesus!
The king of the last kingdom.
To buy war. Must we fight?
My king, you have to fight.
Shut up. Allow peace to reign. Not be everything be fight. Sometimes he talk man to man.
My king, the fight is compulsory.
Yes, my king. If you don't fight this fight,
shut up!
Because we strike both of you to death.
Oh, you represent me. I don't want trouble.
My king is your fight.
So is this fight that killed my father?
Yes.
It will not kill the son.
My king is not the size of the man in the fight, but the size of the fight in the man. You can do it.
Shut up! When I just there, people they die for now. For now to die for people like us, when I no one die. Don't worry.
Igwe, you can fight this fight, believe me.
Shut up. Igwe! I don't want people to say Jesus!
This has never happened in the kingdom.
You don't give a throne by himself.
Sometimes you need to give peace a chance. There's nothing in fight. Igwe! Nothing concern me. God bless every one of you.
Come back here. I don't want the gods to strike me dead. We must fight.
Yes! The battle starts now! I move!
Come back here!
Igwe! No allow this hand touch me, oh!
I'm an evil man.
Trying to help.
Jesus!
Hey! That's serious.
Madam, the way these children they play this ball,
before the next Victor Seaman go come out here.
That's true.
Man, I beg, give me 2,000. Jesus.
What's your fee?
Man,
Bia, I cannot break my machine. No.
Sorry.
Fight now.
Let's have it.
Look on no fight again. Look on no fight. Oh, we are play.
Oga decline. Don't insufficient phone.
Poverty no go better for you.
Try 1,000.
One man begin.
What's your fee?
Sorry. Don't mind me. I like football.
Still insufficient phone.
Are you serious?
I say I should slap you now.
Try 500. Nobody go. Try 500. Are you whining yourself?
Oga, take. Put your pin.
insufficient fund, none.
Which kind of this thing be this? Bia these children, I tell you, they find what none go use do red card. Make on a take.
But what's the meaning of that insult now? What's the meaning of that insult? You can't make her throw it. Because of what?
Oga, see me can tell you. Any card where money no dey inside now red card.
Jesus.
Come out from my shop, bossy so.
Stop that nonsense. We'll never try this nonsense again. What kind of nonsense character be that one? Don't move. Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated. It's what it costs now. You insult me, small kid don't follow you insult me. No problem. I don't blame you, no problem.
Give me that card, okay?
And Chinedu cause all this nonsense. If they this country go, small kid go insult me like this.
Poverty, die.
Nobody will not fit to make a move.
Kati! Amos! Who be Amos? Call me DinoSureGod.
ShagGi!
Hey! Dogs.
Why my juju they cry? Who doesn't succeed again?
See them all.
Waiting. So now when I talk there, this boy tell me come.
Hey!
This one go advise them.
They know they spray money for this village. Even people who don't go make camp, they know they come back. I don't come back. Papa, I'm not here.
Jesus.
You well? She's in a replay.
Kill.
Want to kill yourself?
Jesus.
Just like that.
Not you die.
Mazi, I'm a two brother and I die.
Oh. So why you they go city go make camp?
Mazi, I know they go city. Now village now I want to make camp.
What do they do for village where you want to make camp?
I beg now.
You don't beg by force.
Baby, guess.
There is God in everything we
See, this is what you've been doing, eh? Yeah? That's why you've not been picking my calls.
Oh, you've been calling me.
You put your phone on DND. And you what are you still doing there? Get her from here!
Madam, if not be sporting, one slap where I go leave for your face.
If she get out. You know how much I pay her?
How much? Tell her to leave.
How much I pay you?
700K.
What's what they do for you?
100,000.
Hey.
If not you go leave. Then stop there.
Sorry for the laugh.
Why I forgot my gun? I for shoot this idiot. Small now. Get out. See.
Mazi, you have played enough with me, and I no longer want to play with you. You have played with my emotion. You have played with my time. You have played with my money. You have played with everything. Let it stop here. Mazi, let it stop here.
Uncle, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I'm going to go and play ball. Can your son join us?
Jesus. He can join you guys. Carry him. Mazi. What is happening?
As you no one play with me, now may you go play with them. Even if na volleyball or table tennis, you start from there.
Limau.
Which kind of song?
Babe, this one you are touching me like this. Hey, babe.
Yes, sir.
I have something I want to tell you.
What is it?
Please don't laugh at me. Oh. I promise myself I will only do this with the woman I want to get married to. hope you will not break my heart.
Baby, so you're a virgin.
By the special grace of God.
I'm saying, no, you plan to advise this idiot.
I did grace. What about you?
There's a normally, by your male look, you know, if you don't knock on 42,000 body count. So you don't tell us like 3, so I don't go far from waiting tell you.
Child of God, tell him the truth.
Don't tell him the truth.
Wait. Moko already confuse me for you. Which one are they saying? Tell him the truth. Child of God, you're not supposed to be doing this until you get married.
Actually, I'm a second-hand virgin.
Jesus! Second-hand virgin? Second-hand?
Like grade 2.
What does that mean?
I've never willingly slept with anybody.
You and I know.
When I was much younger, my uncle molested me. And I promised I would never sleep with anybody again.
Oh, I'm so sorry, my Lord.
God have mercy upon us.
They didn't make my work too easy. If I go back, they say I know them day also. Because everybody they be like devil.
Babe, I hope you will not break my heart.
Why will I break your heart? You are so fragile.
I will never break your heart.
You don't hear your lie. You lie like who lie now? Now you lie now. Now you lie like who lie now.
We are unbreakable.
Oh my
Babe.
Yes, babe.
I want to ask you something.
Okay, go on.
Please, don't laugh at me.
Why would I laugh at you?
Where is the hole?
Search for it. It's somewhere around there. In between the beer.
Jesus!
Useless man! Now you take and spend money on woman!
You know what for? They go outside, they go temper.
I think you say give me money, make I train my children for school. You know agree.
Then you get wife.
For almost 1 year, they know they go school again. This person, they don't do no book again. It's him, ma.
Mommy.
What's it be now?
Mommy, not be now with you.
You see what's in the dog? You don't dump my children to waiting, I don't know. You, what's it be consonant?
Well, consonant, it's simple now. It's to console you.
I'm not surprised. Can anything good come out of Nazareth?
What's it they want me to swap? You don't know them to eat body ball, and then you did.
Babe, my love, it's not what you think. It's not what you think.
Don't be spicily give me that. So you don't lick reach my husband's side.
Her name is Purity.
Shut up your mouth. Listen, when they work all day, why they work as receptionists before? Now she be that show one they tell you about. When we say they get like 20 men and all of them, they know they use protection for her.
When you say they spread infection like rumor.
Purity with infection.
Purified infection. Let me say, don't go through process.
You are a wicked girl. What kind of a liar are you? After everything we've shared, I told you my secret. No. That's why I don't like cheating on my wife.
Shut up, you two they talk. You may talk say you be virgin, you don't tell me say you married. Come born to a lot of children. One head be like hammer.
No, insult me for there.
The other don't even know the meaning of consonant. Wait, so you tell us say you never married? It's him, man.
Mommy,
guide the door.
Amatia.
Now I know why Jesus wept.
Jesus really wept.
He boss cried.
Nobody there. I'm gonna go front now.
What's your problem? Okay, man, one side book inside this bus. You don't push out, I'm 1 minute inside this bus.
Okay, get transport.
The Lord will provide.
The Lord will provide.
Get transport.
The Lord don't provide.
You, they go now, they go. No, get transport. I they go fight best to get transport. Okay, they go.
You don't produce salvation.
Okay, when you get transport, you go enter inside. They go.
The Lord provide.
Good morning, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nduka. I'm a motivational speaker. I'm a book writer, a philanthropist, and a professor. As a matter of fact, the records are there. I have written over 2,000 books. And you can go and verify, I have made over 9 billion sales. Today with me, I have a new book that is for men. A book that has helped men to maintain their wealth. A book that has helped men not to become an unprepared father. A book that has helped men not to carry children when they are not ready to carry children. The title of that book is called How to Deny Belly. Most of you think it's impossible because in today's world, Women are making men to be fathers on time. So men are not ready to bear children, but are being forced to have children by women. They will just tell you, I get belly for you. You are sleeping on your own, you have plans for a greater future. A woman will tell you, I get belly for you. You are planning to finish your school, you have plans for your education. A woman will tell you, I have belly for you. Belly has hindered the destinies of some men. And I have the book with me, How to Deny Belly. If you check chapter 1 of this book, the most common way to deny belly is silence. If she say, I get belly for you, no answer am. If she said the pikin look like you, no answer am. If she post the pikin online, no answer am. If you apply the chapter 1 of this book, which is silence, that is a strategy to deny belly. If you check chapter 2 of this book, it has what they call infection defense mechanism. Tell the woman, madam, I get infection. If they cause me low sperm count, I not forgive woman belly. Madam, I get infection. If they cause me premature ejaculation, I not forgive woman belly. Once you go through this number 2, you will know how to deny belly through infection defense mechanism.
Okay, no verse. If the belly don't reach 9 months,
if you still deny them, check chapter 9 of this book.
Okay, this book they work.
Okay, this book they work. As I'm talking to you, I sent 100 copies of this book to Were this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, does anybody have for the book?
Okay, how much for the book?
The book is selling for 100,000 naira only.
100,000. I for buy you, but it don't late.
Yeah, Papa Emeka, what's the meaning of that now? I don't understand. Are you this man? Why man whenever ready to get picking, go they sleep with woman without protection? Examo, men go they work out without sense.
Madam, you don't know soon that once man come, now go come to his senses. Some of these things are not planned. That is why this book is written for defense mechanism for men. Are you with me? Anybody for the book?
Okay, nobody they buy the book because this book no get any value to add to the society.
Now wow, for that man stop and be like say today for no go move. I drop here. When I don't want to buy book, when I don't get picking one, I don't plan.
And look at the man that got me pregnant.
This man?
Yes.
Jesus Christ. Driver, wait, this man that already said. Young man, are you the one that got my daughter pregnant?
Me?
God forbid. Hello. I've told you that I'm sending the 20 million naira. What's wrong with you? Will you stop that? Come, I'm talking to a young man.
Oga na me.
Jesus.
Jesus. Hey, Oga. Why not deny the belly? Oga not every belly then they deny.
You get it?
The became then a junior.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
This guy really, not really get sense, I will tell you. He had 20 million. He accepted the pay sharp. Hey God, how to deny belly? Who want to deny belly? May call Nduka, may sell the book, give up. Anyways, thanks my people for watching to the very end. I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, please do well to subscribe. You know, it's very important for the growth of my channel. Subscribe and share this video. You understand? Share it, share it, share it. Check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out, and they're very, very fantastic. You understand? So thanks for watching once again, and see you in my next video. Peace out.